Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play with Parsec. First, download and install the Parsec application on both your host computer and the client device you wish to stream to. Ensure your host computer meets the minimum requirements, typically a modern CPU and a dedicated GPU for optimal performance. A stable internet connection with at least 10 megabits per second upload speed is crucial for a smooth, low-latency experience. This setup forms the foundation for your streaming adventures. Once installed, log into your Parsec account on your powerful gaming PC. This machine will be your host. Navigate to the Host tab in the settings. Here, you can fine-tune your streaming preferences, such as bandwidth usage and resolution. For instance, setting your bandwidth to 50 megabits per second and resolution to 1080 pixels will provide a crisp, responsive stream. Remember to enable hosting to make your computer discoverable. Now, on your client device, whether it's a laptop, tablet, or even a smartphone, install and log into Parsec using the exact same account. You'll see your host computer listed under the Computers tab. Simply click Connect to establish the streaming link. Parsec will then display your host computer's desktop, allowing you to control it remotely. This process usually takes only a few seconds to establish a stable connection. To play with friends, simply invite them through the Parsec application. You can generate a shareable link or send direct invites to people on your Parsec friends list. Once they accept, they can connect to your host computer and join in on local multiplayer games as if they were right there with you. Parsec supports up to 4 players simultaneously, making it perfect for shared gaming experiences. A robust internet connection, ideally over 100 megabits per second, ensures everyone enjoys a lag-free session.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.